Hi, my name is Lisa Prinz with Hooksters Ideas, and I had a quick strategy for you today to help your students learn to write fractions in lowest terms. I know that my students would always struggle with this and were able to add and subtract fractions with ease, but then once it came to knowing if a fraction was in lowest terms, they got stuck on that. So this strategy actually practices another strategy, which is or not strategy, another concept, which is prime and composite numbers. So we're going to look at this fraction here, 10/12. And to check to see if it was in lowest terms, what we could do is, you could find the least common denominator and such, but that strategy is pretty much like the standard way that most people teach it. But this is a different strategy using prime and composite numbers. So I'm going to first look at the numerator and make kind of an upside down factor tree. And so I'm going to look and see what two factors multiplied together will give me 10. And I know that 2 times 5 equals 10. So I'm going to put those two factors there. I then ask myself, is 2 a prime or a composite number? I know that 2 is a prime number, so I'm going to circle it. And I know that 5 is also a prime number, so I'm going to circle that. Then I go down to the denominator and I do the same thing. With 12, just like 10, you could do, there's a variety of ways that you can get 12 by multiplying. So you could do 3 times 4, 2 times 6. Any way will get you the same answer. So I'm going to do 3 times 4 for this demonstration. 3, I asked myself, is that a prime or a composite number? I know it's prime, so I'm going to circle it. 4 is a composite number because I know that it has other factors besides 4 in itself, or 4 and 1, I'm sorry. So this has 2 times 2. So I know 2 is a prime number. I circle it on both accounts. Okay, then I rewrite the fraction with our factors. So I have 2 times 5, and then I'm going to start with the smallest number down on the bottom. So 2 times 2 times 3. And basically I just recopied over those numbers from the numerator and the denominator. Then, now where the part comes in that we're actually simplifying is we look at the numerator and the denominator and we see, is there a factor that's the same on both the numerator and the denominator? And I see right off the bat that there is a 2 in the numerator and 2 in the denominator, so I'm going to cross that out. Then what's left is 5, so I'm going to write that as my numerator. And then I see what's left down here on the bottom is 2 times 3. So I'm going to just solve that out. So 2 times 3 is 6. And that is my answer in lowest terms. So 10/12 equals 5/6 in lowest terms. Those are equivalent fractions. And basically, this strategy helped my students check every time. As long as they know what a prime and composite number is, then they're able to apply this strategy with ease. And most of my students actually prefer doing it this way. And I just learned this a couple years ago, and I thought I'd pass it along to you. So let me know how it works for your students. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below or let me know how it goes. I look forward to hearing from you, and have a wonderful afternoon.